Hello everyone, welcome back to Sawdust and Circuits. Today's project is one of those simple but satisfying builds. No batteries, no charging cables, and no apps. Just gears, electrons, and a little bit of hand-powered stubbornness. This is a fully 3D printed hand crank flashlight, powered by a Gearmotor, a 5-volt supercapacitor, and a 3-watt LED. And honestly, it works way better than it has any right to. The idea here was reliability and simplicity. I wanted something that you could toss in a drawer, a car, or a toolbox and forget about it for 5 years, and it would still work when you needed it. No lithium batteries to puff up, no charging ports to snap off, just mechanical motion converted directly into light. At the heart of this is a gear motor, but instead of driving it with power, we're doing the opposite. We're backdriving it as a generator. That power feeds into a 5-volt supercapacitor. This is the unsung hero of the build. The capacitor smooths out the wildly inconsistent voltage and stores just enough to keep the light steady. And finally, we have a 3-watt LED, bright, efficient, and simple. No microcontrollers, just light. Because sometimes the best firmware is no firmware. The entire enclosure is fully 3D printed and designed around assembly first. The gear motor presses into a captured pocket so it cannot rotate under load. The crank handle just presses on the gear shaft with just enough friction to feel solid, but not grind itself to death. Inside, the capacitor and LED are tucked into their own compartment, so nothing rattles. Because if you've ever owned a cheap flashlight, you know that sound means disappointment. The assembly is refreshingly straightforward. The motor goes in first, followed by the capacitor and LED wiring. The LED is mounted up front with a simple 3D printed reflector, lined with aluminum duct tape. Nothing fancy, but it keeps the light focused where you want it. Once everything is wired up, the enclosure just closes with screws and the crank slides on. That's it. No calibration, no software updates. Just close it up and start cranking. So how does it actually perform? A few seconds of cranking gets the light fully lit, and once you stop, the capacitor keeps it glowing for a surprisingly long time. Maybe about 5 minutes of usable light. It won't replace a tactical flashlight, but for emergencies and power outages, or just proving a point, this thing delivers. Projects like this are a reminder that useful tech doesn't have to be complicated. This is a basic idea that powered radios and flashlights decades ago, and it still works today. Sometimes progress isn't about adding features, it's about removing failure points. If you've enjoyed this build, let me know what you would change. Bigger capacitor? Different gearing? Maybe a dual LED. As always, thanks for watching, like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.